Hello guys, welcome back. This is SYSTEMIZED, and right here let's go through gold and see what we have for gold for this week. Also today is Tuesday. Today's Tuesday, so we only had card news today. Let's go through the week to see what we have for the week. We have USD news on Wednesday, which is a FOREX meeting. Then we have on Thursday, which is an employment claim, flash manufacturing, that's the PMI, and core retail sales. I'm so looking out to this core retail sales and this CPI for 130 today. Okay, so on Friday, Fed Chair Powell. If you guys have been trading, you know that Powell's speech is a very powerful speech, so it affects the dollar a lot. So looking through this, we have a lot to talk about from this specific news. So let's dive into gold and let's check what gold is currently doing. Now, I like to start my view from the higher time frame, which is from the weekly. We all know gold is bullish. Gold just it's my major TP for those that took gold trade from the low and follow up on the ladder. Gold has not really made any significant retracement here, so this is telling us gold will possibly make a retracement, which is going to cause a lot of things. Now looking through this, I can see that this is just an ascending channel, which signifies that gold is going to drop very soon massively. But because it hasn't dropped, let's follow up with what gold has. Let me delete out this. So from here we have a break of structure, change of character, price then come back into this demand, which has fair value gap. Price tapped into the fair value gap though, because if we have this fair value gap here, this price tapped into it with this kind of price moved. We have another fair value gap here, which was never mitigated. So we moved and we continue to move. We were following the trend. This was a very good trend. We touched this trend twice, 1, 2. This trend also we've touched it twice. So either of these two trends, we will touch it when the time comes. You know, this was my major TP from, I think, from the monthly time frame. Yes, from the monthly time frame, this was my major TP. So this is my next major TP. Let's go down to, I think, 3 months or 12 months. 12 months, let's see. Okay, yeah, 12 months. Yeah, the BBC break of character, price came back, retraced, change of character, and price pull here. The price then come back. So all through this year you're going to be buying gold at least TP1, TP2. So we're looking at 2624 and 2824, approximately 3 ounce. So if gold gets to 3 ounce, we should be expecting a big retracement. So let's go back to weekly and let's solidify our entry on weekly. Now weekly has done its own. We have seen a lot of liquidity sweep. From here, a lot of people was thinking gold would drop. In fact, I was part of those people that I was optimistic of gold trading, and I've been waiting and waiting. When will this fucking guy drop? Well, this guy refused to drop. We have this unmitigated demand here, which price will finally fall into someday, but with the way things is, we have a sweep here. Show it on daily. Yeah, the sweep. I'd like to borrow you also for this sweep. Not sweep here. This low was taken as a sweep, so can delete here. Good. So we have a sweep here. Price came back. We have a rally, base rally. This base was swept and price continued to move on. So presently, I'm not expecting a big retracement on gold. Why? Because the US dollar is not buying any moment from now. US dollar is dipping. So let's branch into US dollar and see what US dollar is doing. US dollar is dipping massively. So as you can see, it's falling. US dollar is falling massively. Presently, we are at a verge. We are at a verge of buy for US dollar, and this is the last hope for US dollar to buy. If US dollar does not buy in this zone, trust me, US dollar is going to fall as deep as possible. It's going to take out this low, and next low will be this low that I indicate with a bulb. Yes, this will be the next low. So US dollar is going to double up on these two, take them out. My expectation is to see a reaction of buy, but because we've had the way price corrected into this is impulsively, so I'm not really taking any buy position on dollar. I'm just waiting to see if dollar will react and change its direction by itself. But if it doesn't, then there's a lot to do. Just keep your cool and just observe. If you don't enter any trade, it won't kill you, it won't affect you, it won't have anything to do with your profits. So just chill, wait, and see something that you're recognizing day in, day out. So here I'm just going to wait for a reaction on US dollar, and because price impulsively corrected into this zone, it will take price a lot of force to pull out of this zone. So I'm not thinking of buying US dollar this week at all this week. Why? Because if this is going to correct, it's not going to correct immediately. It's going to correct with some move of correction, maybe like a double bottom or something to signify a correction. It's not going to just boom. Nah. It's not going to do that. So I'm not expecting that. So I'm expecting a slow takeover from sales. A slow takeover. Buyers will take it slowly, push them up until it exhausts. Also, I'm expecting a consolidation. In this zone. If I see consolidation in this zone, and I say liquidity sweep, and I say change of character, confirmed that I'm buying USD dollar, I'm buying. That means gold will be selling. But if I don't, then I'm out. I'm just waiting to see. Because of that, we've seen a massive move on gold, and gold is making its new all-time high. Gold is getting to 2.5 ounce per kg presently, and it's going really crazy, going really massive. We broke out of my major TP, and we are heading for more. I have these two green candles, these two green highlighters, and those are my specific areas I want to see gold hit before we see a proper retracement. And gold is pushing, extremely pushing to those zones, which is fine by me. I will just keep my cool and look at how things gets when gold gets to those zones. So if you say I'm bullish on gold, yeah, I'm bullish on gold because gold is currently following what DXY is doing. DXY have been selling, and we don't have any news. Today is Tuesday. We don't have any news on DXY today. So we are having news which is Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. So I'll be looking out for those news. But trust me, I'm not expecting a strong buy mode from DXY because of the impulsive move DXY have been trading with for the past weeks. So I'm not expecting any even if DXY wants to buy, we'll need to see a consolidation. Alright, so let's go into daily. This is bullish. If you are not in from the lower time frame, then you are nowhere to be found. but you can still find entry. I actually had this sell. This sell was really great, but price came back, and you can see price didn't clean up this liquidity, so it tells me this liquidity is still protected, meaning that we have a lot of buy side in this trade. So you can see price didn't clear out this guy here. This is a specific liquidity that needs to be cleared, and price didn't clear it out. For price not to clear this liquidity out is massive. So also I got a buy. I got a buy here when I spotted the change of character, and I was able to buy. I closed in here. Here I didn't take a buy, I was just observing. I saw it, but I was observing. So presently we are here. Now this is the next buy zone for me. If price should retrace, I want to see a buy zone here. So everything here I'm not in. I quickly take my profit here. I didn't stretch it because I was expecting sell setups. I didn't stretch it at all. I was expecting sell setup, so I didn't stretch it. I didn't go in big. I was just myself in the ratio of things. So presently we are still bullish, and price is continuing to buy. So my expectation is to see a sell setup. If I see a retracement, yeah, I might go in for the buys. If I don't see any retracement, trust me, I'm just going to look for more buys area from here. This is a liquidity sweep, and this is a possible buy area also. This is a liquidity sweep here and a change of character. So this is a possible buy area for me, but it's sitting in the liquidity area. That's just my problem. It's sitting in the liquidity area, and it's very volatile for me to just say I want to be buying in this area now. I don't like to buy in those delicate areas. But gold is not looking at your eye, gold is just moving on zone. So this is a buy zone for me. It's an extreme demand zone, and price, you can see this is strong bullish engulfing. I would have loved this red candle to be smaller, but this is big, but still. So this is one entry, this is another entry for candlestick trader, but I would love to see price come into this zone here or this zone here for me to buy. So most times I miss a lot of entry due to my strategy. It pays to miss entry than to just jump in anyhow entry. So I prefer not going in until I see something that looks like what I've been trading for the past year. So I'm currently still bullish on gold. Why? Because gold continue to transfer funds. We have a transfer fund from here to here, and the fund, we have a liquidity sweep here, change of character, impulsive move. I will love price to come here. This is a liquidity zone. When price comes here and gives us an entry, I might risk small. If I get taken out, I know it's no crime. The price gave me an entry, but I would love to see a buy set up in here on gold. So for now, this is where I'll pause for gold, and I'll wait to see if price will retrace, which is maybe power speech or tomorrow. This is looking like a retracement because a lot of buyers are being enticed into this game. So I feel like price will retrace down here. And also, if we see a sell setup, because this is a sell setup as I'm saying, we have this. If you see this setup, then I might go in to sell also, depending on how it presents itself. This is a liquidity sweep. If you see a change of character and retracement back into the OB, I'll sell down to this demand, then I'll push up. But for now, I will just observe and see how market is going. Okay, I wish you guys the best of luck. See you in the next one. Bye for now.